Qudata.com.
It's great to have a WP-powered bot which helps customers to purchase your goods or services. However, you may still wonder how many people it has helped. And how can you find it out? The answer is simple. Just link your WP plugin to our console. Linking the plugin allows you to monitor and analyze the user's behavior, how often your bot is used, what step people mostly reach, and much more. If that's your concern, this video is for you. It will show you how to link the WP plugin to your Qudata console. In order to link your plugin to the Qudata console, open the plugin and navigate to the Launch tab. Then click the Qudata console link. You will be taken to the console authorization page. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and click Sign In. After logging in, you will see a window with your personal code. Click the Copy button next to the code, and then return to the plugin page. In case it was closed, navigate to the Launch tab again. Paste the copied code into the ID field. If the bot is running, then stop it. Now start the bot. Once your WP plugin has been linked to the console, its performance will be reflected in the analytics. Run your bot on the site in order to test it. Then open the Qudata console. Your WP bot will be displayed on the main page. Click it, then open the Analytics section, where you can see how your bot is performing.